Hi. Yeah.
Sir,
How are you?
magandang hapon. Okay naman po sir. Thank you. Thank you sir.
Yeah.
Tapos po kami lahat, yes.
We have good news. Kinuwento ko sa iyo kanina. We just finished signing the bicameral conference with the senators and congressmen. Pasok yung sinabi ko sa iyo when we met last week, no, sa Misibis.
Opo sir.
Okay, naipasok lahat, additional of 8 billion. Nauna yung 8 billion sa HGAB. Now, naipasok ulit namin another 8 billion. That's 16 billion. So, total yung buong 350 pesos na...
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I take a video of you sir?
Sure. Okay.
Yes sir, I can show it to the staff sir as the personnel when I talk to them next on the 14th on the Saturday sir. Thank you.
No
Yes, sir.
problem. Maganda yan malaman ng mga staff na we are taking care as per instruction by our speaker, instruction by the president. Ano yan? Maganda yan na malaman ikaw sa SOL.